Hell, he's not fully stretched out. He's the width of the damn chair.
Mm-hmm. What's going on, Boots? Hey, what's
If you
going
kind of
on?
somewhat look at his, I wish he had kind of like black down here.
Mm-hmm.
Then it looked like he was a dick face.
Your daddy's asshole. You know that? Your daddy is asshole. Yay!
Oh, he has
Oh, so
the
cute.
TT popping up there
What the
and the
hell?
two balls.
Boots, your daddy crazy, huh? Your daddy's crazy. Asshole, huh? Did you hear that, Bootsy? Hey.